Today we discuss the topics of contravariant vector. And this is also called tensor of the first order of the type 0, 1, 0. Now at first, a set of n functions bi of the n coordinates x1, x2 up to xn are said to be the component of a contravariant vector if they transform according to the equation b bar k equals to del x bar k del x I bk, not at all bi. That means they follow the equations b bar k equals to del x bar k del xi bi for k runs from 1 to up to n. That means for k equals to 1 we get b bar 1 and the component and corresponding of I 1 to up to n in this way. Taking it equation number 1. On changing the coordinate system, xi to x bar I that we say a1, a2, an are the components of the contravariant vector, or simply ai is contravariant vectors. That means a1, a2 up to a, that means for b1, b2 up to bn, here side of the contravariant vector is, if we are taking here 1, that means if we are finding here 1, that means b1, b2 up to bn are the components of contravariant vector. Or we simply say that bi is a contravariant vector. And it is also of the tensor, contravariant tensor, so if we called it as a contravariant tensor of first order, that is of the type 1, 0. It should be clear. It's clear if we consider one examples. the components of a contravariant vector in the x coordinate system are 4 and 8, then find its components in the x bar coordinate system if x bar 1 is equal to 3x1 and x bar 2 is equal to 5x1 plus 3x2. How to solve? Now here clear we find b bar k, this means the part of solutions from the equations in the early stage from 1. B bar k is equal to del x bar k del x I bi. It will be, taking the summation convention, I equals to 1 to 2, I runs from del x bar I ai, for k is equal to 1 to 2. When k is 1, then we find already b bar 1 equals to del x bar 1 del x1 a1 plus del x bar 1 del x2 b2 if we are taking it. Now for the derivative with respect to x1, we get here 3 from the situation x bar 1 is equal to 3x1. If we take it with respect to x1, clearly 3b1. Here it is with respect to x2, 3x1 with respect to b2, sorry, that is called z2, 0, because there is no term involving in x2, that's why it should be 0. It was 0, so it will be this. Now from a1 we have the first component, that is called 4, and these x coordinate systems are 8 and 4. If we called it 4, then it will be 4, so it will be 12. And if another consideration, when k is equal to 2, we have b bar 2 equals to del x bar 2 del x1, here it is b1, del x bar 2 del x2, it is b2. So it is clear from the second equations, that is 5 b1 plus this 3 b2. So 5 into 4 plus 3 into 8, 20 plus 24, that is 44. So it is clear and obvious, thus the components of x bar coordinate are 12 and 44. So obviously we get some of the ideas how to use this contravariant vector or tensor of the first order. Now next days we learned how to use covariant vectors, and we know we will know, better to say. Okay, thank you.